Okay, so June was all about finishing up. It's like you were the fat caterpillar before you're about to retreat in July. That retreating is stepping back from all the busyness. And if you look at the weather in the Southern Hemisphere, it's cold. We want to stay at home. We want to have the fireplace on. We want to eat yummy food. It's almost like we don't want to be as social as normal. The weather even indicates, come back a bit. But I can already hear some of you having limitations saying, I can't retreat, I'm still busy. And especially if you're in professions like bookkeeping or accountancy, you would just shift the seasons to the next season. So let's go back. In July, that time to retreat and reflect, it's doing it before or after work. Taking that time to look at what didn't work, what did work, what is it that you want to emerge. So here in the chrysalis, it's that time of cooking, what I want, what I don't want. Now, what happens if we don't stop in July or wintertime? We manifest things like colds, flus, those sort of things that make us stop. Our immune system is tired. The immune system, according to medical intuition, is all about worry, thinking, worry, thinking, worry. So stop it. So July, stop. Stop thinking, stop worrying, get your journals out. I love gorgeous journals, beautiful gel pens, and I just journal all the yummy things. I reflect on what worked, what didn't work, what I do want. Write the goals down. And a goal is your vision. When you write it down, it projects it to the universe, and watch magic happen.